welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, we're going to be talking about L-cut. How do we achieve L-cut in our video? L-cut is one of the effects that can make your video look more professional. There is no doubt about that. And you can achieve this with any of your editing apps. You just need to know the trick and how to go about it. So on this video, that's what we're going to be achieving. So let's dive into it. Here I have two videos I want to apply. This is the video and this one. I already have the marking and mark out for where I want to use in this clip, same as this. So what I want to achieve now is for me to create a sequence to achieve my project. So I'm just gonna go with it. Don't need to change my name right now because that's not what we are focusing on here. So now I have a sequence. First thing I want to do is I want to drag my first video. I would like to make this guy here the first video. So I'm going to drag it into the timeline. So here I have the guy in my timeline. Next thing I want to do, I want to pick up the second video and drag it. So here now I have the smooth cuts.
So I have 2 years experience in EpeeTech. So before I worked in India and I came back to Nigeria.
Experience was a long journey so far, and then we are trying to see how we can penetrate the market.
Okay, so now this is 2 clips. What I want to do next is this. I need to cut out this guy, which firstly let me try and separate it here, and I'm going to as well unlink the 2 clip. Same here, I'll link, so the audio can be different, can be separated from the clip. Yeah, now I want to bring these 2 together to achieve something like this. All right, to me it's perfect enough. So what I want to do next is I want to bring the video on this layer. Now this audio, I'm going to cut it out here, simply because I don't know the beginning of the audio here. So it's a continuation from the first clip that's going to happen to the second clip. So I can bring this one down here and let's play it and see.
So I have 2 years experience in EpeeTech. So before I worked in India and I came back to Nigeria.
It's a long journey so far, and then
you can see the perfect work. Before I came back to Nigeria, it's a long journey so far. So it's just more like it makes the video go smoothly and the audience can be engaged. This is just a sample of a video. If you have more recording, more clips that you can use, you're gonna see the effect of this L-cut, and it's a powerful effect that you don't want to throw away. So if you like this video and you find it helpful, kindly subscribe and like it, drop your comments, and see you in my next video. Peace out.